Hi guys, welcome to networking. So in this video, we are going to see how you can become a network engineer by 2025. So there are two options. First of all, I would say if you want to become a network engineer, so what we recommend you all, you can start with one program CCNA, CCNP, and any one course which is a firewall, like maybe Palo Alto, ASA, and all. Okay, so let's discuss about what is CCNA. So CCNA is the first level of networking. It's like you can say it is the building block. Okay, so this is the first step to get into networking. And in the networking, you are going to learn about the network fundamentals, LAN, switching, routing, okay, some part of basic security infrastructure management, okay, subnetting, IP addressing. So if you don't know anything, so just understand that you should have a basic computer skills, okay. So you should have basic internet skills, like you should know how to surf internet, use Gmail, all these basic stuff, okay. So if you are watching this on YouTube, so obviously you already know the basic stuff, okay. So after the course of CCNA, you would be able to apply the jobs of like entry level network engineer, network administrator, network support technician, help desk technician, NOC engineer. So these are going to be the job roles. You will be able to get a job after CCNA or CCNP. Okay, so in the theory, you are going to understand first OSI model, basic stuff. Okay, then IP addressing, basic subnetting. Then you will understand how to configure a router. Okay, so router means there are some softwares like Packet Tracer by Cisco, and we have our own labs if you do courses from us. So you will be able to do the configuration on those devices. Then we have IPv6 configurations and all, virtual local area network, how you can group two different departments, OSPF for routing protocols, spanning tree protocol, access control list, DHCP, quality of service, wireless topics with the WLC and all. Okay, some basic overview of SD-WAN, SDXS. So this is generally CCNA. Okay, so normally you will be going to do a lot of labs like basic from like connect two different networks. Okay, like how router will help you to connect two different network, and that's the purpose of router. Telnet, SSH, ARP, static routing. Okay, then you will understand about router on a stick, OSPF, Ether channel, ACL, static NAT, okay, port address translation, which is part of NAT, DHCP scope, VLAN, WLAN, okay, NTP. So all these things normally you learn in CCNA. The exam cost is around $300 plus GST, which is around $325. Okay, more than that, I think. So approx like you would say 25 to 30,000 would be the exam cost, but it is not mandatory. So if you have good knowledge, many companies hire without certification also. Okay, so the total questions from vary from, but normally what we see nowadays, normally you get 60 to 70 questions, and there are 3 to 4 labs in the season exam. So the passing marks is around 825, 790 to 825. So it sometimes varies, but normally you would say 80% you have to score in the exam, and it is very easy exam. So passing the exam is a different thing, having a good knowledge is a different thing. Okay, so this is CCNA is like the first level. Okay, so CCNA training plus certification will cost you, like you if you are taking training from anywhere, like suppose you are spending 10,000 or 12,000, around 15,000. So totally depends from where you are learning. Okay, so and after that you invest 25 to 30,000 in CCNA. So in general you will be spending 40,000 plus for the exam, but you will still have CCNA knowledge. So what I recommend you, rather than invest that certification amount of CCNA in the CCNP training, which will give you very advanced knowledge. So CCNP, like a CCNP enterprise, what we recommend first. So enterprise is basically the people who really want to get into routing and switching, and that's the recommendation. But normally, like if you already have industry experience, directly after CCNA you can join the data center program or CCNP security also, if not CCNP enterprise. But if you have industry experience, but if you're a beginner, then we recommend you in CCNP enterprise. The first module is like Encore or an RC. You can join any of the module, but we recommend an RC more, because in an RC you will be able to learn EAGRP in detail, OSPF in detail, BGP, MPLS, policy based routing, DMVP, and IPsec. A lot of good topics, and it is like very in depth program. But it has so if you do CCNA and RC, that is like almost you will be able to clear 70 to 80% of interviews. But yes, I'm not saying you should ignore Encore. Encore is also important. But if you can't invest too much, because doing CCNA, then Encore, NRC, then Firewall is mandatory. So what we recommend people, if they have a budget issue in financial, so they can go for CCNA, NRC, and Firewall. So once they get good job, suppose if you are on 3 lakhs, so what are the benefit of this program? So means in salary base, suppose if your current salary is 3 to 4 lakhs, so you, after the full program, it can go from 8 to 9 lakhs. Okay, if you already getting 5 to 7 lakhs, it can exceed up to 10 to 12 lakhs. So normally people have seen almost more than 100% hike sometimes. Okay, and that totally depends where you are working, what's your city. Okay, but if you do come from any basic IT job, but now you shifting to networking, okay, so initially you will not get too much hike. But if you already got a small networking job, and if you do these courses and try to apply as in another networking job, then there are many chances. And if you change the location, suppose you are in North India, if you try to apply in South India, you will get more high package. But with good knowledge, I would recommend you to move. Okay, so that's the thing. So in the network engineer program, so in CCNP, in RC, as I mentioned, OSPF, EAGRP, BGP, and all. Okay, so if you are a beginner, if you are not able to understand what I'm talking about, just skip this part. In Encore also, you will be able to learn a lot of things like EAGRP, OSP, BGP is also in Encore, but only like basic overview. But it has many other topics like HSRP, VRRP, GRE tunnel, Lisp, VXLAN understanding, WLC, NTP, AAA, DNA center. So it has quality of service, multicasting, automation topics. So Encore is like advanced level of CCNA. So CCNA plus Encore will give you lot of knowledge, but an RC will give you in detail knowledge. Because when you go for interview, if you're a beginner, then CCNA and Core and Firewall is also okay. But if you really want a network job, if you really want to apply in Airtel, Geo, ISP domain, then an RC is much better, because everybody asks you SPF, BGP questions. Okay, so that's the thing. So now there are two options. One is you attend the live training, and one is we recently come up with our OTT platform. Okay, so where we are currently, so what we have done, so we have created this combo. Okay, and in this you will get almost 200 plus hours of content. Okay, so first you will get all my CCNA videos, very basic simple English, don't worry. Okay, and then CCNP and RC, all the topics of BGP, OSPF, EAGRP. Okay, so Encore training again. And then we have added, because previously this was called Atul Sharma Access Pass, but now because of most of the jobs require Palo Alto firewall knowledge, so we have added the complete Palo Alto firewall course also inside this program. And after that, you will be able to apply jobs. We have added all the some videos or like resume making, how to apply jobs, and this content will be updated more and more soon. Okay, so we'll be getting all the roadmaps here. So how, so what course will be good? Obviously CCNA first, then NRC, Encore, Palo Alto, or you can do CCNA, Encore, NRC, Palo Alto. So Encore and RC has no confusion. So if you want to learn advanced, go for an RC first. But if you want to improve holistically, CCNA, Encore, and an RC. So everything. So all these are under, like we have created the sections. Okay, so like IP addressing. So you will be able to discuss your doubts here. Okay, so after end of the program, there will be a certificate with this unique certification ID. And after that, you can also, you'll be getting one certificate, network engineer program by networkings. Okay, so also you have option to attend this live batch also. So that's your completely choice, that if you want to attend the live batches with lab access. So if you are getting this is a video program where 200 hours of content is given to you, and you can watch anytime, anywhere. So how to install lab? So I'm going to add a section here. But because when you start learning CCNA, already we have created the video like how to install packet tracer and all. But I'll be creating a separate section, setup labs for CCNA, CCNP, and Palo Alto. How you can set up in GNS3, how you can set up in EVNG. So those things will come soon as possible in this module. So we have launched, as I mentioned, that we have launched our OTT platform. So OTT platform is like you will get a membership for 1 year. And so many people ask us why you do not give lifetime courses and all. See, basically, we believe in quality. Okay, so and quality comes with the like more updates. Okay, so suppose if new CCNA training comes, okay, so in lifetime you will never get updates, but in our courses you will always get updates. Okay, additionally, if any new concept, suppose Encore and RC is obsoleted, okay, and maybe After 1 year, you again buy this program. But if you are already okay that I already have this knowledge, so I would not recommend you to keep learning the same content. And after that, you can learn our maybe firewall program, maybe cybersecurity program. So the website is a little under construction, but all the programs will be live soon. Okay. So that's for the people who feel like you cannot afford live training programs, master program. So this will cost you 2000 rupees month. Okay. On an average. So that's come 2000 into 12, 24,000 something. So 2000 would be good. Like it's not too much, it's not very less, I do understand. Even for a very basic, like if you are on very basic salary, still this will definitely help you to get on this salaries. If you are on 3 lakhs, it can go to 7 2, but you have to complete this program properly. Okay, it's not like that. So there are many people who join live trainings, and what we have seen in this, that many people, just for the sake of satisfaction, they say we have done the course. But doing the course and having the full knowledge about the course, that is two separate thing. Okay, so you can change this from light to dark mode. Okay, so that you do not. And yes, you will be able to download all the videos inside the mobile app. So you can scan this code and install the mobile app, which is named as Learnify something, and just add this code. And you will be, once you enroll, you will be able to download all the course. And even if you have very slow internet somewhere in your office or at home, you will be able to watch without buffering our videos. Okay, so that's all. So all the courses will be updated soon here. Okay, so and yes, we have already created some podcast. So this career podcast, like it's completely free for everyone, where we have discussed about networking versus cloud versus cybersecurity, networking versus cybersecurity. So which domain would be good for you? So this video is for network engineer, like how you can join the network engineer master program, and whether you do the live batches. Okay, so that's come like around like as I mentioned. So live programs comes with the lab access, where you get the lab server. So, but yes, if you're a beginner, but if you are not earning well, okay, still you want to get into networking, then video is okay. But if you're already getting some salary, if you are already working somewhere, so I would recommend you can join for live training. And but yes, if you work in shifts, then video courses are also enough. Because lab is, you can install these labs what we provide in networkings, what comes with live batches, but the same thing you can install in your GNS3 or EVE-NG platform. So that will be added in the program very soon. Okay, so thank you all. I hope this session is informative. And regarding last thing, what I wanted to share in network engineer program, why we have added firewall, because in mostly all jobs today, cybersecurity, Palo Alto firewall is also a part of cybersecurity. Okay, where network engineer has to protect company networks. So you will learn about all the things, and you can see here what you learn in the Palo Alto firewall. All the topics are mentioned here, and these are direct. So you can see first web, you understand about what is firewall and all, initial configuration of Palo Alto, packet flow, understanding zone and interface, tap and vwire interfaces, security policies, practical of NAT, app ID, understanding and practical of URL filtering. What is URL filtering? How to block facebook.com, how to block any websites which you do not want your employees or outsiders. Also, you want to protect your company from outside attacks. Practical of SSL description, practical of user ID, site-to-site VPN, Panorama and its template, Panorama device group, global protect, high availability. Like if one firewall goes down, and if you see, these are the complete videos, 3 hours of one class. It is not a course of 5 hours, 10 hours, or 15 hours. The complete courses are of more than 200 hours of content. So 200 घंटे का content है. अगर आप दिन में, हफ्ते में 10 घंटे पढ़ोगे, तो भी मत, और दो दो बार भी रिवाइज कर दो, तो भी 1 साल तो मुझे लगता है ये कंटेंट आपको बार बार पढ़ना पड़ेगा. और आई थिंक आफ्टर 1 year you will completely change in terms of your knowledge. And yes, once you get a good job by getting good hike, then that's your choice. We have all access pass also. All access will give you all the courses, CCNA, CCNP, firewall, SD-WAN, cloud. Okay, so everything. So, but yes, as of now, so if you really want to get into networking, go for this. But if you are confused that which career path would be good for me, then you can watch the listen the podcast from here, and you go to our YouTube channel and check my career guidance videos, because all the domains are good, just you need to find your interest level. Okay, thank you all. I hope this session is informative. And how to apply jobs and all. Everything is already mentioned in our YouTube also. You go here, we have already added 1600 videos. So search for job, you will get related to 9 ways to search IT jobs. So you can watch these videos, they are very helpful. So thank you all. I hope this session is informative. Thank you.